starting out with my brows, I'm using the NUDESTIX brow gel so they can lay straight and not move around. And then I'm using my favorite eyebrow pencil of all time, which is the Benefit Cosmetics, and Precisely My Brow Pencil in 4.5. Grabbing this Born This Way by Too Faced concealer and applying that as an eyeshadow base. For my eyeshadows, I am using the Sigma Ambiance eyeshadow palette, which is a really beautiful neutral palette, and I have a 10% discount code for you guys. I will put it in the screen and also down below. I am starting off with the lighter shade to cover the base. I am applying Bask with a Sigma brush all over my lid, staying away from my brow. With a pencil brush, I am digging into Enrich. I'm going to focus that on my inner part of my eye and also the outer edge of my eye, winging it out. I'm just going to take my time and blend that out so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm going back with the first brush and just blending everything with Bask. I am grabbing Daze on the inner part of my eye to make this nice and matte. Then I'm just grabbing an eyeliner brush and digging into Sunspot and outlining my lash line. And just look how satisfying that looks when I take my eyeshadow colors. With that eyeliner brush, I'm grabbing Sunspot on the bottom, and I'm also going to wing it out on the outer edge. This just makes your eyes look more exotic, Cleopatra vibes, you know, some queen vibes. I love to do this. Then curling my lashes and adding a couple coats of the Badgal mascara, and then using this tiny little pencil by Fit Glow Beauty on my water lash line at the top. For the lashes that I'm using are by Ardell, the Wispy lashes. For my face, I'm using my DERMA E Moisturizer, and foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Soft Matte Foundation. Applying the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Just blending everything with my favorite brush by Sigma. For my blush, I'm using the one by Kaja, and this one is Strawberry Sorbet. And I'm using this Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, which I love it, you guys. It works amazing. As you guys can see, it mattes everything down. Using my favorite bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, the Hoola bronzer. And since I lost the wing liners on the bottom of my eyes, I'm going to add them again. And a little bit of eyeliner, and this one is by Urban Decay. They're 24/7 inks in whiskey. These eyeliners are amazing. They last all day and they're really nice and precise. I'm going to contour my nose a little bit, just bring back some color to my face using the Hoola bronzer. And you guys know I always do this step after I'm done with my face makeup. I apply my mascara on the bottom of my lashes. For my lips, these two have been my favorite lip combo. My lip liner is by Nova Beauty in color Pink Nude 2. And for my gloss is the Glosstopia by Hard Candy, and this one is in color Opal Tease. And there you guys have this soft brown matte eyeshadow look. I hope you guys love it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.